Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy to welcome you here, and today we are filming something a little bit special. It's an ASMR makeup tutorial where I'm showing you how I apply my matte liquid lipsticks, especially red. Red is such a bold color. It's going to draw all the attention to your lips. Better make it look as perfect as possible. What is good with the matte liquid form is that the end result is going to be so opaque. It's able to hide the imperfections of your lips, and also your skin won't show through the matter, contrary to a regular bullet lipstick. This being said, let's get into it. 1. Exfoliate. 2. Moisturize. 1. Exfoliate to remove all the dead skins so they don't show through your lipstick. Once again, you want that seamless result. Okay, so for that first step, I like to take my toothbrush. I think that it's just the easiest and the cheapest way to remove your dead skins. You don't need any fancy DIY recipe or product to remove dead cells. So just take your toothbrush, and then after rinsing it, you just brush very gently your lips. And you really pay attention to not go over your lips to remove also the foundation. Step 2, moisturize your lips, because some matte liquid formulas tend to dry the lips, so you want to make sure that they are hydrated and moisturized to feel comfortable underneath. So for me, I like to use the Burt's Lip Balm. I really love that product just because it's so efficient. I believe it's 100% natural. It contains oils, beeswax, and in particular peppermint, which is really good to activate the blood flow into your lips, and it's going to contribute to plump them. And to finish, just before applying the matte liquid lipstick, I like to go back with my foundation brush where there is some residue of the foundation. So if it moved around the edges of my lips, I just, press it in again. And it kind of reapply the foundation. See? So it gets into the lips. Okay, so we are getting even more personal right now, and we are getting in the actual lipstick application, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Sarafine. It's that beautiful, gorgeous red. First, shake your lipstick so the formula gets well mixed. So here you have product straight right from the tube, and as you have maximum matter on the flat part of the applicator, you don't want to put this on the edges but on the wider part of your lips, the center here, because otherwise if you start with the edges, chances are you are going to mess up. And I don't like to wipe the excess on the bottle, otherwise it's a loss of product. And then I close my mouth to transfer the excess of matter on the top lip. and I finish up with the brush. And by the way, I flipped up the applicator where I have more product. Okay. Once again, you can close your lips to transfer the matter. And then you go on the edges with the very tip of the applicator, which is really fine and so really precise to create that crisp lines. Okay, so here are two things. First, you want to make sure that you have a lipstick that covers all your lips. So which means here on the inside, I add a little bit more. You may have some lipstick that transferred on your teeth, so you can just remove it with your finger. Okay, so I did a pretty good job, though the end result is not perfect. I can see that just here on the cupid bow, it's not really like crisp and neat, so I need to go back with a little bit of concealer to clean those edges and to make them look perfect. Okay, so for that, I like to take a concealer that is close to my skin tone, and actually this is my under eye concealer too. So it's the Naked Skin by Burt and Decay. Really good concealer. And if you don't have concealer, you can also take your foundation, but I prefer concealer because above the actual foundation, it's a very lightweight formula. So I have this, and so with a really fine, just a flat brush, really flat brush, I take a little bit of concealer. I just go around the edges. Just remove the excess here, and I define with the brush. So yes, I really follow the line. Remove the excess of product and then just go here. Okay guys, so this lip tutorial is finished. I just love the end result. This red is so deep and rich. It's just gorgeous. I hope that you enjoyed that tutorial. I really meant to go to the simplest and make something beginner friendly, because when you start in makeup you don't have all that budget to get lipstick, lip liner. No, you want the minimum product to achieve the perfect lip. If you want more tutorials, please let me know. Thumb this video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. I hope to see you soon in my next video. See you guys. Shh.